Well, it's finally ready to install the engine. I think I got all the cosmetics done. It's restriped, and I had to put the chrome, some more stuff on the top, but it's looking pretty good. Now we're ready to install the front housing, which has the motor mounts in it. Okay, we're making progress here. We've got the carburetor mounted, and we've got the water line, cooling line that goes through. Actually, in this case, it actually heats the intake manifold for better fuel distribution. And we have put the head on right here. And the important thing with the head is once you get it installed, the sequence of how you tighten the bolts is something that they specify very carefully. It's just out on the lake. Everything's working. I've got my new top up. Engine's running good.